Some trucks in town from the Outback. Look at all the cows. Well, we'll zoom in there. Look at them. Look at them all. I think they know they're going for dinner. Oh, well. Hope not. Hope not. Who knows? But I suppose if they're worth a lot of money, you wouldn't stick them all in like that, would you? Another truck going somewhere? Well, it's pretty quiet in the town today. Not quiet for them. Let's do that one there. Like, he's giving me the eyeball. Like, help me. I can't. There's nothing I can do. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this little look at what's going on in the Outback. Till next time, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.